Hello students, this exercise is a word builder exercise. It will help you to build your vocabulary, and most probably this practice will help you prepare better for the asset examination and also help you in general in your academics. Let us see how does this exercise function and how what to do in this exercise. It is a test for the academic word list. Academic word list is actually a specific word list which we use for formal academic writing. Non-academic writing could be colloquial or casual writing, but academic is actually focused, which is used in school, colleges, and university, and especially in research papers. So that we are going to build a vocabulary for academic word list. And this is test A. At the end of this exercise, you will be shown the answers also for this particular exercise. The instructions. Let us read the instructions. Choose a word on the left that matches a meaning on the right. Write the number of that word next to its meaning. Here is an example. Business, clock, horse, pencil, shoe, wall. And these are numbered 1 to 6. On the right hand side, you will see certain meanings given, part of a house, animals with four legs, something used for writing. Now, what we are expected to do is we look at the meaning, part of a house, and then we look at the words. Which word means part of a house? Most probably the word wall. So, what number is it? 6. So, we bring 6 and we write it here. Next one, animal with four legs. Which word is an animal with four legs? Horse. What number is it? 3. So we write 3 over here. Next is something used for writing. What is it? It is a pencil. What number is it? 4. So we write 4 over here. This is how your answer will look like 6, 4, 3, 4. Now the example that is given over here seems quite easy, but as we are attempting, the vocabulary will become tougher and tougher. You may have to refer your dictionary at times. You are allowed to do that as you are practicing to build your vocabulary. You do not use all the words. In an example above, the words business, clock, shoe did not have a meaning for you to choose. If you do not know the meaning of a word, you do not need to answer that question. If you think you know the word, you can guess. But I suggest that you look up in the dictionary or Google search the answer so that it helps you build your vocabulary. Now let us begin with this exercise. We have environment, principle, response, assumption, analysis, income. Meanings given are the close study of something, money received, the surrounding conditions and influences. Now let us see the meaning, the close study of something. Environment, no. Principle, no. Response, no. Assumption, no. Analysis, closely study something, most probably analysis. I will take 5 and I will write 5 over here. Next is money received. Money received, income. So 6. I'll write 6 over here. Surrounding conditions and influences. Surrounding conditions. I think the word is environment, surrounding conditions. So I will write 1 over here. Now the question arises, how do I record the answers in my notebook? As per the answer key which will be shown at the end, you may write the numeral and the vocabulary as the answer. For example, for the close study of something, it is mentioned, say 5, you wrote 5 over here, you write 5 analysis in your notebook. For money received, you have written 6. In your notebook, you write 6 income. The next one you have written environment, you write in your notebook 1 environment. So your notebook will have the now numeral and the vocabulary, the numeral and the vocabulary, the numeral and the vocabulary. This is how you're going to proceed. Now the rest of the questions, I'm not reading it aloud. I request you to proceed slowly and write and respond to the questions. in your notebook. Second set. Now proceed to the third set. If you have written the answers to the second set, proceed to the third set. Now proceed to the fourth set. Proceed to the fifth set. Sixth set. Seventh set. If you don't know the meaning, you may pause the video and you may look up for the meaning and try responding. Next set. Let's proceed to the next set. You may pause the video. Let's proceed to the next set. You may pause the video. Let's proceed. You may pause the video and work on the exercise. If you don't know the meaning, kindly look up in the dictionary or Google search. Let us proceed. Pause the video and work on the exercise. Let's proceed. Pause the video. Let us see if we have any more exercise. I believe that is all. Now let us look at the answers. Now let us look at the answer key for our test. For the first set, the answer is 5. Analysis. 6. Income. 1. Environment. You may pause the video, check your answer at this point. For the second one, the answer is here. For the third set, the answer is here. Fourth set, fifth set, sixth set, seventh set, so on and so forth. You may pause the video and self-evaluate the answers. Students, you need to attempt this exercise once every week in order to improve your vocabulary so that your score becomes better and better and academically you improve in your work, in your academics, and ultimately you will definitely score better in your asset score. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification, and kindly click on like so that this video gets added to your liked videos and you can refer it whenever you need. Thank you very much for your kind attention.